Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back again with the Czech Beads exclusive box. So this is a newer box to my channel. It is, I believe, $22, and all the information will be in the description of this video. But it's all Czech beads shipped directly from Czech Republic. Super excited to see what was in this month's box. I will put an affiliate link for this box in the description, and that helps the channel if you decide to subscribe to them or purchase from their website. They have a list of ingredients in their box, but as I said last month, it was a little hard for me to decipher because they label their boxes, but their items in the box, but they use product codes instead of like the names. So forgive me if it takes a little bit longer to get through this. So these are little silver drucks, super cute. Here we go. Metallic matte silver round small spacer 3mm. I don't ever open these tiny beads because they go everywhere every time I open them up. So those are pretty good spacers. We have some tulips. I'm gonna guess this is the yellow gold luster brown patina bouquet tulip bud 8x12mm. Beautiful. I love this shape. I love tulips. They're one of my favorite flowers. Three favorite flowers, and one of them's newer. This newer favorite flower I have is sunflowers, but tulips and Gerber daisies have always been my favorites. These are the Luster Shine Turquoise Blue Gold Patina Fancy Drucks, which are 6mm. I don't know. We'll see. They're very cool, whatever they are. I don't think that's showing up on camera how cool these are, but I love them. They look like little turquoise moons. Super happy about those. Guessing these are the metallic silver Labrador full round druck spacer in 6mm. So these go with those silver 3mm. Very pretty. They look like metal beads, but they are glass. Crystal red round spacer beads, 4mm. Just a nice little red round. And then we've got the Luster Shine Turquoise Blue Gold Patina Fancy Druck in 4mm. So those same drucks that we got here in 6mm, we got in 4. Turquoise Blue Bronze Patina Rose Heart Beads, 17mm. You know I love these. I love hearts, love flowers, love turquoise. Very beautiful. Antique Silver Tone Maple Leaf Pendant, 28x22mm. It's a nice little pendant. I'm gonna guess that this is the matte silver 3 leaves shamrock pendants, 21x20mm. Cute. These are opaque pink small dagger flat leaves, 11x3mm. They're teeny tiny little daggers. They're so cute. Silver flat round tree of life plant pendants, 15x12mm. Cute little like line drawing trees, cute. Silver small flat forget-me-not spacer caps, flowers, which are 5mm. Cute little 5mm daisy spacers. Crystal green gold patina birch leaf beads, 9mm. And they call it crystal because you can see through the green. It's not like an opaque green. Cute. I love that these look like little hearts. Crystal blue silver patina large flower trio coin, 21mm. Very big flower. Cute. I love that color. Very subtle. And I think I forgot to say the name of this box is Summer Mosaic this month. They're definitely very summery. Red silver patina wash flower bouquet tulip bud 8x12mm. Beautiful. Ohio State colors. And then we have that same shape in a blue brown luster, blue patina bouquet tulip bud 8x12mm. So these are really fun. Those look like a painting to me. Don't those look like a beautiful Monet painting to me? Oh, love it. Picasso turquoise blue patina table cut flowers. These are 10mm. Love those. Love that there's a wash in them too, because usually there isn't, or it's a darker wash, not like a lighter blue. Oh, we got more of these tulips. These are white opal rose red patina bouquet tulip buds in 8 by 12 millimeter. So they're a white bead with a rose red patina and a wash over it. Gorgeous. 4 of those styles. I love those tulips though. Crystal blue, purple rainbow, clear dagger flat leaf, 11 by 3 millimeters. So we got these in pink and this purple blue combo. Cute, cute, cute. Teeny, teeny, tiny. We're still pulling tons of things out of this box. There's 26 things this month. I think these are the turquoise green terracotta bronze rondelles, 4 by 2.5 millimeter. Gorgeous. Ooh, some trilobites. Picasso brown orange flat trilobite, 10 by 8 millimeter. So these are like an orange with a really heavy Picasso on them. Little fossils. Cute, cute, cute. Picasso brown red flat square Czech glass bead, 6 millimeter. Basically little tiles. This is such a fun way to get like a really large assortment. You don't get a ton of each bead, but you get a fun assortment and maybe sizes and shapes you wouldn't typically see. So these are fun things to use in like earrings as accents on your pieces, bracelets. Ooh, another one of these luster shine ones. Oh, okay, sorry, these must have been the 4 millimeter. So let's okay. I thought these were the 4 millimeter, but 4, 6, and 8 millimeter. Gorgeous, love those. Sapphire blue silk matte round faceted fire polish 3 millimeter. Love that. It's like a nice periwinkle matte, very nicely faceted. Picasso red turquoise patina table cut flower in 10 millimeter. So this is similar to that turquoise flower we had earlier, but they're red with the turquoise patina. These are cool. Love them. And then last but not least, matte zebra waves, blue round laser pattern, flat coin, 14 millimeter. Look how crazy that bead is. So cool. Well, I had fun with this. This is a lot of really cool, interesting beads in this one. I really like these because, of course, I haven't seen those before. Some of my favorites, I really like the red. I liked the luster shine turquoise beads. This tulip. Of course, the hearts and the trilobites. So I had fun. If you're interested in subscribing to this box, check out the description of this video. Tons of really cool beads in each box, and I think you'll get a fun surprise every month. Check them out. If you have any questions or anything, leave them in a comment, and I'll see you next time. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Who's my little princess? Hi, good morning. Are you on your pillows? You got all the pillows on the couch. How'd you do that, huh? How'd you do that? Hi, cutie.